In this edition of the MC Minute, we're giving you an inside look at what mentors experience when they complete their required training. Mentors access their required training from the mentorship checklist on their participant dashboard. They can take training immediately after completing their matching survey, or they will receive email and SMS reminders to complete their training at a later time. This task remains open on their dashboard until it's finished, and mentors typically must complete their training before they can be matched. Once in the training, mentors are welcomed with an introduction for Mentor Collective, along with an overview of how to navigate the course player and available accessibility options. The training is divided into chapters, each containing lessons and checks for understanding. The training covers key topics to help mentors get the most out of their mentorship experience. They'll learn how to navigate the Mentor Collective platform, set communication expectations and boundaries, log conversations and flags, define the role of a mentor, introduce themselves effectively, and how to access additional support when needed. At the end of each chapter, mentors review key takeaways before completing an informal check for understanding. If they answer incorrectly, they're guided back to relevant course content for reinforcement. The training concludes with a 10-question formal assessment where mentors must score at least 75% to pass. If needed, they can retake the assessment to improve their score. After successfully passing, mentors are pointed to ongoing learning resources and also receive a training certification, which they can download and add to their LinkedIn or resume. We love seeing mentors share their accomplishments online and celebrate their certification. Thanks for tuning in to this month's MC Minute.